Hi, my name is Robin from Bollé Safety. Let's walk through Seamless Vision's hassle-free and efficient workflow. Connect to the platform via the link or QR code on the voucher. To access the platform, enter your voucher code and key number. You are now ready to begin. Now, let's measure your pupillary distance. Follow the prompt until the triangles are aligned. If you wear glasses, you can keep them on. Use the card you set aside, needed for scaling reference. Place it under your nose and stand still until your PD measurement comes up. Now, choose from a range of frames tailored to your needs. We offer various styles available in different sizes, colors, and curves. A virtual try-on is available. Select your frame, then choose your lens type based on your indoor or outdoor needs. Check the recap before uploading your prescription script. To finalize the process, fill in the form and confirm your order by providing your details and preferred shipping address. And that's it. Sit back and relax. You'll soon receive a confirmation email. Within 10 days, you'll have your prescription safety eyewear in hand. Should you need any assistance, our dedicated eye care professionals are always here to help. Thank you.